It's Knit Crate time. This is the December 2018 Knit Crate box. This is the membership box. It is $24.99 a month, and that includes your shipping, and it includes 2 skeins of yarn and usually a crochet and a knit pattern as well. Now this month I know it is a bulky yarn, which I don't have that many of, so let's see what we've got. I'm opening it this way so you all are going to see it before I do. Let me see if I can pull the pattern out first. Here we go. There is the front. It's like a little magazine, and it is the sock and membership magazine. So here is, let's see. These are the different festive photos. So it shows you some of the bulky yarns are over on this side. These are the different options of bulky yarn. And then the sock yarns that they had are these. This looks very similar to the Cooper Spur pullover that I made just recently. So let's see, they have a breaks in the lines. That is a Tina C pattern, and it looks like it's a cowl, and I believe that looks like it's knitted. Let me see if I can check that out. Yes, this is knitted, so here is the knitted pattern. And then the crochet pattern that you can make. It gives you a little bit of information about the designers. The crochet pattern is also a cowl, but it looks like it's a kerchief cowl. It's called the Firefly Hook. The other one, like I said, was called Breaks in the Lines. So the crochet pattern, let me see if I can find it. Oh, it's a hat. It's a hat. I saw the picture of the designer. Okay, it is a hat. I won't be making this. There it is. Yeah, that's not me. I won't be using the crochet pattern. Yeah, it's just not quite my style. Yeah, it's just not quite my style. But it does give me, oh, okay. It also says in here, here's the page right here, it shows 3 other patterns. And it says, if you were a member of the December 2017 Knit Crate, which I was, because I remember this pattern, the patterns from that month will also work with this yarn. So look them up on Ravelry or in the Knit Crate pattern shop. Well, cool, because I do like this one and this one. This looks like it's probably crocheted, and this one is knit. So I might be doing that. So now that you guys have gotten to see what I have, here's the 2 sock yarns right there. And there is the sock pattern. Now the sock pattern that they give you is always a knitted pattern, and the sock box is not priced the same as the membership. It's a little bit less unless you get the artisan sock box. That one's a little bit more money. So yeah, so it gives you a little information. Next month's theme is going to be Sleepy New Year, and these are the color things that the color boards that they're choosing from. So that will be next month. So now you guys have already gotten to see it, but I'm going to take a peek and see what I got. Ooh, I got the picture. It looks like I have what is on the front. In fact, I did. I got this pattern, or I got this yarn. So let's see a little bit about it. It is a Vitalana, which is Knit Crate's in-house yarn. That's their brand. It is a heathered chunky. The colorway is called Clementine. Like the little, they're sort of like nectarines or tangerines. They're tiny. Those are called clementines. So that's where they get this color from. And it's showing up pretty true to color. It's a tonal, has a little bit of kind of an orangey color here, but it's not like an in-your-face orange. It's lots of golds, and it has, so you can see some heathering in there. So yeah, it's really pretty. And it is 100% wool. It is a chunky weight. There are 60 yards in each skein, so you get 120 yards altogether. The suggested needle size is a US 13 to a 15. So yes, there it is. So very pretty. I like golds, as you can see. I like golds. So yeah, not sure which pattern I'm going to make yet, but there it is. And that, like I said, that is true to color. So if you are interested in trying Knit Crate, you can, and you can get a 20% discount off of your very first box. I will put the link below, but you must use the coupon code KCreations20 in order to get the 20% off. So if it sounds like something you would be interested in, click the link below and go check it out. Thanks again for watching. See you Saturday.